Does anybody here have a website? Yeah. If you don't have a website, you're on some sort of social media. Yeah, almost everybody is. So you're going to learn something about social media and how to improve your web presence with Rhonda. So welcome, Rhonda.
Thank you, thank you. So how many people here have smartphones? Okay, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to pull your smartphone out. Okay, pull it out, and I want you to go to IBM.com. I want you to Google IBM.com. And then I want you to tell me what you see. Let's see how savvy we all are with our smartphones.
Okay, www. Oops, too many W's.
That's fine.
Dot.
Pardon me? Just IBM.com.
Yeah.
Yay, Mike wins.
.com.
He wins. He got there first. Well, everybody, if you just want to take a look at Mike's phone, he's there. And you'll see what the mobile site actually looks like. I'm going to see it up close so you can understand what I'm talking about. And what it does is, as you look at it, you'll see that every piece of navigation is a big bar across it. Pick another website. Right, that's fine. Pick another website, one that's not likely to be mobile enabled. Let's go to Bill's website. What's your website, Bill?
Choyaproduction.com. I'd kind of like to see what it looks like on your phones, if you don't mind.
You guys find it yet?
Is that it?
Let's see. Yes, yes. No, that's one in info. That's my old one.
Oh.
Is your phone number 786-6428?
Yep, that's me.
Are you wondering why your phone's not ringing yet, Bill? Are you wondering why the customers aren't calling you yet?
That's it right there. He's got it.
Okay, little teeny tiny picture. See the website?
Okay.
See his website? Did you see the IBM one?
Well, that is small.
This is not mobile.
See this?
Yeah, the
I
IBM
think
is.
that's a point you don't
And so what happens is, if you're going to look at this, you've got to zoom it up so that you can read it. You've got to pinch it and zoom it, and you've got to do this stuff so you can actually read it. Turn it sideways,
Yeah.
do other things with it. And so it's really not mobile ready.
Oh, okay. But I can make it mobile ready if I make a picture bigger?
No?
No? Okay.
No, no, that's not how it works.
Okay. Well, I wish my kid was here.
You can see their mobile application was small, it was easy to use, very user-friendly. The problems when your website is kind of like Bill's, kind of just a small little replica thing that you can hardly see, people have to pinch it, they have to zoom it, they have to spend a lot of time trying to get the information and trying to find the navigation. How many people are going to spend that much time, or are they just going to go back down to the Google again, and they're going to find somebody else to do their videos? Somebody else who's going to be able to just pop up, they can read it right away without a lot of frustration. It's really essential that you have a mobile site. There's a regular site and there's a mobile site.
So the mobile site is different from the regular
Yes.
site? Okay.
Yes, it's a different kind of a site. Typically it's mobile.choyaproduction.com, or you could go choyaproduction.com.mobi, and they're indexed and they're put into search engines separately. You don't know how many people are coming to your site, they're finding this little tiny picture and they're just moving on.
So theoretically, if they move on, then they move on to the mobile site next, and
Well, if you have a mobile site, they're not going to see your little tiny site.
oh, okay.
That's the whole point. The whole point is that it's not going to display both of them. When somebody's on a smartphone, Google and the other search engines that are being used are going to go, oh, this is a smartphone that they're searching on, that they've got their little Google search going on. Oh, I'm going to display the mobile version of that site. Versus, oh, this is not a mobile smartphone, I'm just going to display a regular website.
So you need some special programming for it.
You need to have a mobile website, and then you need to be indexed in mobile search engines.
Yeah.
You don't really know how many people you're missing. That's why I said, is your phone ringing?
No, not now. No, it's not.
No, I mean, if you got customers calling you, is your phone ringing? So that's something to consider. And one of the challenges is that as phones get smarter, the consumers get smarter and they demand more. I can remember when, you would do all your searching at home on your big clunky desktop. And then pretty soon they go, oh, well, I'm just going to, make a laptop. I'll carry my laptop with me, and off they go with their laptop. Well, people don't need to carry their laptop anymore. They've got their phone. So
is an iPod, is that something
an
else?
iPad, they can do the same thing with an iPad.
But would it be more mobile, or would it be considered?
That's considered to be mobile.
That's considered to be mobile?
That's
Okay.
considered to be a smart device. I'm not going to go into any big detail on the search, but there's a real big search battle going on, and iPhone is Apple is doing some things where they want it to be so that it's voice-activated search. They want to do voice-activated search so that maybe you're looking at a video, but then you go, hey, I want to buy some tickets for the theater, and then you go, hey, buy me, you find what you want, and you say, buy me 2 tickets, and then you go back and you watch your video. It's almost kind of scary what they're trying to do. But that's the direction they're going, and Apple, as you know, is on the cutting edge with the iPhone and with that technology, and so now Google is trying to get up in there with voice activating things also, and Yahoo is trying to do something what they call answers not links. And Yahoo is trying to come up with, if you type in something, they want to just answer the question. They don't want to give you links. They want to actually answer your question without providing you with 10 links. So there's this whole transition thing going on. 2010, by the close of 2010, Google had done a survey of 1,300 users, and 1 week of activity, 81% of the people of this 5,000 group had used their phone to browse the internet. 77% to access a search engine, 48% to watch a video, and 63% to access social media. In fact, the smartphones and the mobile technology is so popular that when they queried these group of 5,000 users,
what's the age group?
I would have to go to the study, I don't know. But more and more adults even have all their smartphones. So, in fact, at our law firm, it was funny because the attorney always asks everybody, he says, so how'd you find me? How'd you find me? He wants to know I'm effective and where we're getting the information from. And he got this one kind of elderly lady. She's like 65, 68, whatever. And he was certain that she had found us with the Yellow Pages. And so he said, how did you find us? And she goes, oh, I just got on my phone, went to Google, you popped right up. That's how I found you. So it's not really age barrier related anymore. Of those people, 1 out of 3 of them said that they would give up their shoes, they would give up shopping, they would give up chocolate. If they had to make a choice between having their phone or having chocolate, they would give up chocolate, which I thought was kind of funny.
Wow. For how long?
They had to make a choice. It's like, no, take the chocolate, and I'm keeping the phone. 51% are more likely, 51% of users are more likely to make a purchase from a mobile site. So it's increasing. These are some interesting statistics. And it's by next year or the year after, they expect, I think, mobile search to be number 4, and they expect it to be about 80 to 85% of all searches. I mean, some of this information is actually a little dated because it's escalating and more people are doing apps, and they're doing all kinds of accesses for it, and then there's the digital mobile marketing. It's crazy. 70% of shoppers actually use their phone while they're shopping. 54 of them use it to find a retailer. 49% compare prices. They'll be in the store and they'll see something they like and they go, I wonder where Target is for this, so that they'll look at it. And they'll decide right there if they're going to buy it at Walmart or Target or Costco. And 48% get coupons and promotions from it. In fact, you notice a lot of coupons and stuff have the QR codes and stuff on them, and then you can go right up to the register and they'll do it right there, right off of your phone.
I did that to get on the plane the other day.
Yes.
Yeah. With my other smartphone, I used to just talk into a Mexican restaurant, and it would show me the 5 Mexican restaurants closest to where I was.
Right, because it's geotagging your GPS location.
Yeah.
44% of people, while they're shopping, they use it to read about the product information or the reviews. 34% use it to see if it's in inventory. Got it in your store. You're standing in the store, but you're going, I wonder if they've got any in stock. So you don't even need to go up and have them look in their computer system anymore. What's interesting is 74% of the consumers made a purchase based on their smartphone search, and they usually do it the same day. So 76% purchase in a store, 59% purchase online, 33% purchase on smartphone. Consumers are also responding not just to what ads are popping up on their mobile phone, but they also respond to the traditional marketing on TV and literature and what have you, but they'll go and they'll look it up on their smartphone. And so 43% respond on their smartphone after seeing an ad on TV. They'll go get their phone and look for it. 17% if they see it on their phone. 61% of people are likely to call the business, and 59% will actually go visit the business. And as of last year, there were 200 million mobile users on Facebook, 100 million videos viewed a day on YouTube. And not only that, but a lot of people don't realize that YouTube is the second largest search engine. If you want to explode your business, get your YouTube channel going. How many videos do you have on there? How many? When did you put the last one up?
I put the last one up about a week ago.
Do you put one a week?
No, it kind of fluctuates. When I have something to put up there, I put it up there. Sometimes I put them up for my customers, and sometimes I just put them up, you know.
Do you have your own channel?
I have my own channel, yes.
Are they all being put on your channel?
Yes. Well, no, some of them are being put on other people's channels, but most of them are being put on my channel.
Do you put it at least 4 a month on your channel?
No, that's what I need to do. Now, what about Vimeo? And
Yeah, you want to do video syndication.
yeah, I have videos on Vimeo too. I have more of a presence there. Do you think that's...
Vimeo is not as large of a search engine as YouTube.
Yeah, yeah.
YouTube is the second largest search engine.
Yeah, I know. The thing I like about Vimeo is they don't put the stuff after.
Do you want to be found, or do you want to like the search?
Yeah,
I mean, that's the question.
Yeah, that's
You know,
true.
you want people to find you, or do you
Yeah.
want to like the site that's hosting your video?
So ideally, I put them on both.
Yes. And you would put it on Yahoo Video, you would syndicate on the various Daily Motion, there's Internet Cafe, there's a bunch of video sites.
I don't know what's happening now, but it was that 95% of all search was done on Google, so, and that before YouTube got really big. But Yahoo was down the list somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
The next two were so far down the list it didn't make.
Here's how it's going. It's like Google is still 65, 75, 60 to 70, sometimes 75% of the website search, and then Yahoo and Bing together, they get between 25 and 30. But Google owns YouTube, and it is the second largest site, and Google gives preference to YouTube. That's why you always see videos up in your search results. For mobile search also, you're going to have sites that are actually location deal kind of sites like Foursquare and some of those. Those actually are very large search engines too. In fact, Facebook on mobile is considered to be a pretty large search presence. They're trying to compete with Foursquare, and actually Facebook's been trying to put Foursquare out of business for a while, but every month. 70 million Americans browse websites from their phone every month. Mobile is global. It is everywhere, it's anywhere, and it is always on. If you're not showing up on mobile, you're not showing up. So what you want to do is you want to mobilize your site, you want to make it mobile friendly. More than 100 million internet-capable mobile devices are operating in America right now. 100 million internet-capable devices.
So how do we get one?
Well, you get one. I'm running a special for the people who want mobile websites for the next 30 days, it's not even 30 days, but through April 15th I was running a special, $577 for a 5-page website plus a homepage. And that would be build it, design it with you, and upload it wherever you're posted. Yes, well, you wouldn't actually convert your existing website, you'd probably take elements of it and you'd build a separate mobile. So if you have your website set up, you want to leave that there because people are still searching from their desktops and their laptops. But you want to build a mobile presence. And it doesn't even have to be a huge mobile presence, maybe 5 tabs, maybe whatever. And then you can say, go to main website. And then if somebody really wants to read more, you've got the tab on your mobile that says, go to my website now. And the other thing I'm incorporating with the attorney's website that I'm building on the mobile phone is a call me now. It's a ring button and you touch it and it just dials the number. It's a call me now button.
Oh, wow.
So they don't have to worry about typing in the number or going down there. Or it's web enabled, so you just touch it right from your phone and it calls. So any questions about that? Mobile is global, mobile is big. If you're doing any kind of business at all, or you know anybody who's doing a business, if they're not showing up properly on a smart mobile device, you need to have a talk with them because it's going to grow and grow and grow, and they're just going to be left behind. Because I get to these websites, I'm not pinching them, I'm not looking at them. Are you?
No.